have some tomato salad. These are cherry tomatoes from the garden, and I just cut them in half. However many you like, however many you have. There's no set recipe for this. I'm going to add to it some hot pepper. Just chopped, just broken up like that. Not necessary to get out a bunch of stuff to make a mess. Just cut them right up like this. It's hot pepper. I've got a garlic, and I'm going to cut it up just to get the flavor out of it, but not to eat it. So it's nice and big and chunky. That way we'll see it and not eat it, hopefully. And you can put red onion or white onion or both. I just happen to have a sliver of red onion that I wanted to use up. Plus I'm going to use some white onion as well. And there's no reason or rhyme, no pattern of how to chop or whatever winds your crank, whatever tickles your fancy. And of course the fresh basil from the garden. So we're going to add that. There we go, just a few leaves, just cut up, very coarse. And how much or how little you put in is up to you. Okay. Smells absolutely delightful. Now you just add a bit of salt and oregano and oil. So here's my salt, again, kosher salt. Now I don't really measure, I just kind of go by eye. And this is oregano that I dried from my own garden. So it's a Greek oregano, just put some of that in there. Smells great. And olive oil. Once you taste this, believe me, you'll be hooked. Get a spoon, give it all a nice toss, and it's ready to go. You can add some buffalo mozzarella to it if you like, or put it on the side. But most definitely the best part of this is when you have homemade bread that's been dehydrated in the oven, and you put it and you just spoon some of this on it, just like that. If you don't want it too crunchy, just moisten the bread with a bit of water a little bit. Or you can just put the tomatoes on there and let them zhuzh. This is the original bruschetta. There's no baking required, nothing, no special treatment, just like that, and yum.